This presentation is about the wood carving from Bengaluru in Karnataka. We start with introduction, followed by tools and raw materials. Let's start with introduction. Wood is an important part of our lives. Wood is also used for processing various products. Books, newspaper, tissue paper, printed paper, cardboards are some examples. These products are being made using different types of wood. Wood has unique properties like appearance, ease of working, hardness, resistance to fungal attack, strength, ability to accept stains, resistance to swelling or shrinking, and its availability. There are two types of wood. One is hardwood and the other is softwood. This differentiation of wood depends on the tree that particular wood comes from. Hardwood like mahogany and teak are structurally complex and also give a distinct appearance. Hence, they are commonly used for making high-value furniture, panels, decks, flooring and other decorative items that last for a long time and also show off their timber grain. But about 80% of the timber is taken from softwood that has a wider range of applications found in building components like window, doors, paper, etc. About 80% of timber is taken from softwood that has a wider range of applications found in building components like window, doors, paper, etc. as they are comparatively cheaper and easier to work. Wood is unique in its usage of appearance applications as it holds a natural charm that attracts the designers. As noticed while approaching for a wooden table or chair, many people tend to touch the product as the feel of the wood complements what the eyes see. Unlike most of the other man-made materials, wood has the natural and irregular character in its grain and texture that enhances the beauty of the product and also links it to the nature, which inspires a basic response from a designer who recognizes and uses it. Hence, numerous crafts are made out of wood. Thus, the wood is also carved to make the idols of god and goddesses, animals, birds, decorative items, and also wooden towers installed at the temples. Hence, the products made of wood are a visual treat due to its natural color, grain, and the combination of these unique features as well. Tools and raw materials. The wooden logs are kept in a room as a basic element in wood carving. A white adhesive is used to stick the sketches onto the wood. Different types of chisels used for wood carving. The pieces of paper with a sketch on it are used to stick on the wood for carving. A surface planer is used to mend the surface of the wood. A set of blades rotates cutting the wood as it is fed through. A table saw is used to cut the wood into required shapes. A meter gauge is attached to the table saw, which helps in measuring the wood piece and to chop it at an angular shape. A drill press is used for precision drilling and delivers accurate large diameter holes. Wood turning is being used by wood lathe with handheld tools to cut a shape that is symmetrical around the axis of rotation. Wood sharp machine has vertical oriented spindle driving cutter heads to shape the corner of the wood stock. Wooden router is used to shape the edges within the surface into a wide variety of shapes. A bandsaw is used for cutting precise shapes and curves. The making process. Here you see an artisan placing a wood on one end of the surface planer. The surface planer cutting the wood with a set of blades inside the machine and it comes out from the other end. Artisan is using table saw to cut the extra thickness of the measured wood. As per the required shape and size, he is trimming the extra wood again through the help of the table saw. Artisan is mending the wood with the help of the wood shaper. Wood shaper is used for giving shape to the edges. Cylindrical shape is given by using wood turner. The lines are being carved on wood while it is rotating on a symmetrical axis. Chisels are used to give the required shape to the wood. Artisan is sketching on paper with their unique pattern. Adhesive is applied on the wood. The sketched paper is stuck on the wood with the help of the adhesive. Artisan is sketching the unique pattern on the cylindrical shape of wood. Now we have started to carve over the paper on which it is stuck. By using chisel, artisan is taking out the extra wood to make the pattern. He has almost completed the work. You can see a set of artisans, working on their crafts. Artisan is gazing for a minute shape. The wood edges are being shaped up with simple pattern. The measured and trimmed wood has a paper stuck on it, and artisan is designing on it with a pencil shade. Horizontal lines are drawn on rectangular wood using a black sketch pen. By using a blunt steel piece, the adhesive is applied on wood. The adhesive is also applied on the sketched paper. After paper is stuck, it is kept to dry. The outline of the sketch paper is being trimmed by bandsaw. Artisan is lacerating the complicated layers from the wood, shaping the edges of the desired wood, highlighting the details on the wood. Artisans work on different parts to complete the work smoother and easier. Artisan is carving the design on the side part. Wood router is used to give depth to the design. He is taking out the extra parts of it and checking. The main filler panel of the cart. Products. Wooden products are the most attractive and intricately carved items. Some of the gods' idols like God Ganesha or Lord Sai Baba or Lord Subramanya are made of wood and in big sizes. Apart from idols, keeping the decorative aspects in mind, other attractive wooden articles are also designed. Animals like the elephant, rhinoceros, and birds like peacock, parrot are also made.
ನಾವು ಹೆಚ್ಚಾಗಿ ಶಿವನಿ ವುಡ್ಡು, ರೋಸ್ ವುಡ್ಡು, ಸ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ವುಡ್ಡು, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಟೀಕ್ ವುಡ್ಡು, ಮಹಾಗನಿ ವುಡ್ಡು, ಇಷ್ಟರಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಚ್ಯೂಗಳನ್ನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಕೈಂಡ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಚ್ಯೂಸ್. ಅವಾಗಿನಿಂದ ನಮ್ಮದು ಹೆಚ್ಚಾಗಿ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಚ್ಯೂಸ್ಗಳೆಲ್ಲ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಕಾವೇರಿ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡಿಕ್ರಾಫ್ಟ್ಸ್ MG ರೋಡಿಗೆ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡಿಕ್ರಾಫ್ಟ್ ಕಾರ್ಪೊರೇಷನ್ ಸಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದುಬಿಟ್ಟು NRIs ಆಮೇಲೆ ಲೋಕಲ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಬಂದು ತಗೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಶಿವನಿ ವುಡ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾರ್ವಿಂಗ್ ಇದು ಎಲ್ಲ ತುಂಬ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ, ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಸಾಫ್ಟ್ ವುಡ್, ಬಟ್ ಆ್ಯಸ್ ಗುಡ್ ಆ್ಯಸ್ ಟೀಕ್ ವುಡ್ ಆರ್ ಅದರ್ ವುಡ್. ತುಂಬ ಡ್ಯೂರಬಿಲಿಟಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಬಟ್ ಇದು ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ, ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಚ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ತುಂಬ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಅದ್ರದ್ದು ಅಪಿಯರೆನ್ಸ್ ಏನಿದೆ ತುಂಬ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಇವಾಗ ಟೀಕ್ ವುಡ್ಡಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಸಮ್ಟೈಮ್ಸ್ ಗ್ರೇನ್ಸ್ ಬಂದುಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ. ಕಣ್ಣ ಹತ್ರ ಎಲ್ಲ ಗ್ರೇನ್ಸ್ ಬಂದಾಗ ಅದು ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಥರ ಕಾಣುತ್ತೆ. ಅದನ್ನು ಯಾರು ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಆಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ನಾನಾ ಥರ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಅದರಿಂದ ಹೆಚ್ಚಾಗಿ ಟೀಕ್ ವುಡ್ಡಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ. ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೂ ಅದನ್ನು ಏನಾದ್ರು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕಲರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಅಷ್ಟೇ, ಆ ಥರ ಗ್ರೇನ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಾಣಲಿಕ್ಕೆ. ಆ ಥರ ಮಿಕ್ಕಿದ್ದು ಸ್ಯಾಂಡ್ವುಡ್ಡು, ರೋಸ್ ವುಡ್ಡು ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಫಸ್ಟು ವುಡ್ ತಾಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಬೇಕಾಗಿರೋ ಸೈಜು 2 feet ಹೈಟ್ದು ಒಂದು ಎಲಿಫೆಂಟ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಕಡಿಮೆ ಒಂದು 2-2.5 ಅಡಿ ಹೈಟು, ಒಂದು 3 ಅಡಿ ಉದ್ದನೇದು ಒಂದು ಮರ ಸೆಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಮರ ಸೆಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಅದನ್ನು ರಫ್ ಹೊಡ್ಕೊಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಅವರೇ ರಫ್ ಹೊಡೆಯೋರೇ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ. ಅವರು ಫಸ್ಟು ಶೇಪ್ ಕೊಡಬೇಕು ಅದಕ್ಕೆ, ರಫ್ ಶೇಪು. ಆ ರಫ್ ಶೇಪ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಅದನ್ನು ಫಿನಿಶಿಂಗು ಬೇರೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಆಯಿತಾ? ಆಮೇಲೆ ಅದ್ರದ್ದು ಇದು ಏನು ಡ್ರೆಸ್ಸಿಂಗ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಡ್ರೆಸ್ಸಿಂಗು, ಇಲ್ಲ ಪ್ಲೈನ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಪ್ಲೈನು, ಸ್ಕಿನ್ ಟೈಪ್ ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಸ್ಕಿನ್ ಟೈಪನ್ನು ಮಾಡೋರಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ನಮಗೆ ಈ ಶಿವನಿ ವುಡ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಲೋಕಲೆಲ್ಲ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ, ಶಿವಮೊಗ್ಗ ಸೈಡ್ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ, ಮೈಸೂರಲ್ಲೂ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ, ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕಡೆ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. ಟೀಕ್ ವುಡ್ ಅಂತೂ ನಾರ್ಮಲ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಡೆ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. ರೋಸ್ ವುಡ್ಡು ಅಷ್ಟೇ ನಮ್ಮ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕದಿಂದ ಮಾತ್ರ. ಬುಕ್ಸ್ಗಳಿದ್ದಾವೆ, ಮೆಥಲಾಜಿಕಲ್ ಬುಕ್ಸ್, ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಬುಕ್ಸ್ಗಳಿದ್ದಾವೆ. ಆ ಬುಕ್ಸಿಂದ ನಾವು ತೆಕ್ಕೊಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಯಾವ್ದಾದ್ರು ಒಂದು ಫಿಗರ್ ಬೇಕು, ಯಾವುದೋ ಒಂದು ಐಡಲ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಅದರಿಂದ ತೆಗೆದುಬಿಟ್ಟು ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಅನಾಟಮಿ ಸ್ಟಡಿ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಬಾಡಿ ಶೇಪ್ ಯಾವ ಥರ ಇರಬೇಕು, ಅದು ಎಷ್ಟಿರಬೇಕು, ಫೇಸ್ ಲೆಂತ್ ಎಷ್ಟಿರಬೇಕು, ನೆಕ್ ಎಷ್ಟಿರಬೇಕು, ಬಾಡಿದು ಎಷ್ಟಿರಬೇಕು, ಕೈ ಕಾಲದಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟಿರಬೇಕು, ಅದನ್ನು ಸ್ಟಡಿ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಟ್ಟು ಆ್ಯಸ್ ಪರ್ ದ ಅನಾಟಮಿ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಬಾಡಿ ಅದನ್ನು ನಾವು ಕೊಡ್ತೀವಿ ಅವರಿಗೆ. ಫೋಟೋಸ್ ಗಿಟೋಸ್ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾದ್ರು ಮೈನರ್ ಆಲ್ಟ್ರೇಷನ್ಸು ಅಡಿಷನ್ಸು ಇದ್ದರೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಆರ್ಟಿಸ್ಟ್ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ, ಡ್ರಾಯಿಂಗ್ ಆರ್ಟಿಸ್ಟು, ಅವ್ರು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಒಂದೆರಡು ಆ ಕಡೆ ಈ ಕಡೆ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಅದು ಸರಿ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಅದು ಎಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲಿ ಮಿಸ್ಟೇಕ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅದನ್ನು ಎಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲಿ ಸರಿ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು.